Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Quinn here, and today we are going to be doing the 2K MT Central Draft Rebuild. So I am going to draft a team using 2K MT Central and put it into my league and then rebuild that team. This is a 1-year challenge. It might be 2 parts, I'm not totally sure yet. So I am allowed to pick the player I want out of 4 of these packs, and the other ones I take the lowest overall. So for this pack, I'll be taking Jarred Vanderbilt. And then for the next substitute pack, I will be taking James Ennis. And for our third pack, I am going to use my pick and take Bam Adebayo here. He's an all-star. I feel like I have to use one of my picks to take him. And here I will be taking John Collins for another one of my picks. Unless it's a very, very good player, I probably won't be taking any more picks until we're up there. So the lowest overall player here is Chris Boucher. Deal. Next, with I think our 6th pack, we will be taking George Niang. Okay, I didn't want to pick from that one anyways. Alright, the next substitute pack, I think this is the 7th one. We will be taking Dorian Finney-Smith. Then next, with our last substitute pack, I will be taking John Lure. No, that's not too good. There's my bench: John Lure, Dorian Finney-Smith, George Niang, John Collins, Bam Adebayo, James Ennis, and Jarred Vanderbilt. So I can pick 2 more up here in my starters. So I'm going to start off with center. I already have a pretty good center that could start for me. Why isn't this loading? I don't know who some of these guys are. Alright, so we'll be taking Tyler Zeller there. So what I'm going to do is Bam Adebayo would take his spot. Next, I think this will be our power forward position. We'll open up the packs. Please load. We will be getting Giannis. I don't even gotta see the other one because that is my pick. Last pick, other than I'm going to pick for the captain pack. We got a superstar. We are completely great. If the rest of these are terrible, I don't care. Here we will be taking Gordon Hayward. Gordon Hayward. Perfect. He is the only possible player we could have taken there anyways. Next here, with the shooting guards pack, we will be taking the lowest overall from here. It will be Bogdan Bogdanovic. Here, with our captain point guard pack, the first player will be Damian Jones, which we cannot get. Next player, Terry Porter, which we cannot get. Trae Young! It's already looking good. Kyrie! Alright, who do we want? Do we want Kyrie or Trae? I would usually pick Trae, but this time I'm going to pick Kyrie Irving. because it is a one-year challenge, and I just think Trey's defense isn't very good. So here, this will be our lineup, other than, I'm not sure, I may have to adjust it, but here is our team. You can't really see the bottom, but I will show it the rest to you once we are in 2K and the team is all ready. Alright guys, so we now have our team in 2K. So our roster right now is something like Kyrie Irving, Gordon Hayward, John Collins, Giannis, Bam, and off the bench, Bogdanovic, Boucher, Finney-Smith, Georges Niang, John Lure, Tyler Zeller, Jared Vanderbilt. Alright, so we are going to now do some rebuilding. I think first of all we should try and get Gordon Hayward out of here. Actually, you know what? I need to go back and adjust some of these settings. So I need to turn trade override off and financial trade rules on. So I'm not getting these crazy offers. You know what, I will trade Collins as well, probably. You know, if there's nothing there for him, maybe I won't. Him and Hayward, what can we get for both of them? Absolutely nothing. Bam. You can get Gobert for Bam. I think I'm going to keep Bam. Try and trade Finney-Smith and Niang. We'll get Pat Bev for the backup point guard off our bench. Kennard. I was going to say nothing, but we now have Luke Kennard. I will try and do something like that. Going Vanderbilt, sure. Because now, Roberson, he can't score, but he's an 80. You want Roberson starting? No. Get that garbage out of here. Alright, so we have no scoring. No, I will be back in a minute. I'm going to try and put together a trade for Devontae Graham. If I make Chris Boot, yeah, I'm going to do that. Because now, if I make Zeller, he's a higher overall. Graham. Alright, I like that. So I'd say my bench is finished. No. Yeah, so I'd say that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna give more minutes up here. Hayward's someone I think I have to go trade right now. I just don't think, probably him and Hayward, neither of them. Alright, we're gonna get Aldridge there. And now we're gonna go here, make Giannis a small forward, Aldridge a power forward. Now we'll have Irving, Hayward, Giannis, Aldridge, and Adebayo. So that puts Aldridge back in his normal position. So now all I think we need to do is trade Hayward, and then I'm going to. So we are going to go with Dennis Schroeder. See how high his rating goes, and see who we want to start, him or yeah, we're starting him. His Graham won't go up that much. Alright, so our lineup now looks like Irving, Schroeder, Giannis, Aldridge, and Bam. I'm going to... Done deal. And now, Chris Middleton will be our shooting guard. And our team is looking amazing. Our bench doesn't need any help because we got Pirtle, whatever it is. No. So he'll be a power forward. So now, we've got a few guys out of position, but Irving, Middleton, Giannis, Aldridge, Adebayo, Pirtle, Graham, Kennard, and Roberson. Alright, I like that. I am going to now... Who did I take minutes from? Oh no. Now we were going to sim to the trade deadline. I'll probably sim to about here because I'm not totally sure what the trade deadline is. I will be back once we are there, or I won't be back if we are there if we do very well this season and I'm not looking to make any moves. Alright guys, so if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much. Alright guys, so we made a few trades here. We got Chris Paul, Robert Covington, and we also got Norman Powell. Because we had to trade a few players, so we had to get Norman Powell because we traded Kennard, then we traded Middleton. I am now going to simulate to the end of the season to see how this Bucks team does. We are right now at a pretty good record of 30-7. I made those few trades because we were picking up a few too many losses, and I just didn't really like getting that many losses. So I will now be back at the end of the season, at the end of season awards. So we'll see who wins MVP. Hopefully it's Giannis. Alright guys, so Giannis Antetokounmpo won MVP, 25 points, 11 rebounds, and 7.3 assists. John Morant wins Rookie of the Year with numbers almost as close as Giannis Antetokounmpo's. John Collins' numbers are not far. What? John Collins should be the MVP. Yeah, John Collins should be the MVP. Wow. Kawhi Leonard should be the MVP. Luka! 1 minute. Luka Doncic, MVP. Dang, most improved. Perfect, I like that better. There we go. 1 second. I just gotta fix something that I didn't like there. Got to make... Where is it? Can't find it. Never mind. Who cares? Alright. We're up against the Nets in the first round. They don't got Irving. We should be good. We got Kyrie back. We win in orderly fashion with a 4-0 sweep. Next is my favorite team, the Toronto Raptors. Let's go, Raptors. Let's go. Let's go, Raptors. Okay, good. I know I was chanting for the Raptors, but I got kind of scared after they won 2. 2-1 through on us. 4-1. Kind of sweep. 1-0, 1-1, 2, 3. I'm going to simulate this from a simcast, and then maybe hop in. I'm going to jump in here to show a few of the allotments. I'll be back once it is fully loaded